there they go, there they go.
You rockin' with that blue gang, they came to shoot they cold. Tase the fools and use they votes. You stain so through folks' clothes, you throw blows deep, a dude face broke, can make a fool race. Like Usain Bolt and Usain broke, but they won't shut up and yield. They suffering for something that's real, getting shot in the field, shouting the names of lives that the government's killed. They fighting with picket signs while you shoving with shields.
Bitch, I'm cute in low light, high light, little to no light, half and half light. What was you saying?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Annieseamelia. As you can see by the title, we are going to Mahogany Beach. This is my outfit. It's just a dress. You cannot see it properly though, but I will show you when I get
like
there.
a little liar. Like not on important things. I don't lie about serious things. I lie about like little things. It's not that big of a deal.
There's a cute little brown dress. Talk to y'all back when I'm there, but I'll take you on the journey. Yeah. We have arrived to Mahogany Beach.
They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. My name is Jeff. Okay guys, we are leaving.
Threw a piece of chicken over the damn counter, and because I'm a nigga, I caught the chicken in my mouth. Wow.
Bahamas with an Bahama. It's one of the newest exclusive hotels.
Let me drive the boat.
What? Toodaloo, motherfucker. Hey.